George Bush Airport outside. We do have a long wall of windows right there. To our left, we have a microwave, coffee machine, and in these rooms we have some water. Underneath is a mini fridge for you. Staying along this wall, we do have a TV. It is a smart TV as well. Dresser, and there is a desk for you to do some work. Lots of wood tones throughout here. A couple of plugs for you. And we turn to look back where we were looking. And then we have our big king bed. We have 2 bedside tables. There is a good amount of space over in this section. A lot more over here on this side of the bed. And we turn to see our wardrobe. We do have an iron outside of here for some reason. And then we open up our closet, and then we have another ironing board. This might be an accessible room. We have some low hangers, the lowest I've seen. Instead of it being up there, it's down here, so it might be an accessible room to have the safe in here. And continuing on, we still have a lot more extra space. And then we have our thermostat pretty low as well, so that might be an accessible room. And this is low too. We'll see if there's a maximum room rate. It is going to be $500 for this room as a maximum. And then we'll finally turn and come see our bathroom. We have a drawer, or whatever you might call that, right here with your towels. Also some soap. This is our bathroom. We do have our products from this brand. And then we do have some railing in here. And we have an adjustable shower head. More railing, and then behind this door we have the toilet and also the sink right here. So this is the room here at the Sheraton George Bush Houston Airport. This is the room, folks.